What if the secret to radiant skin isn't just in a bottle, but in your mind? Emerging research reveals a powerful link between brain activity and skin health. For decades, we've relied on topical solutions, but stress and our mental state can block their effectiveness. This video will introduce you to neurocosmetics, a field merging neuroscience and skincare, showing how your mental state can boost your routine. Get ready to discover practical, science-backed techniques to unlock your skin's full potential from the inside out. To truly understand how our mind can influence the health of our skin, we first need to explore the fascinating world of brainwaves. These are the electrical signals constantly pulsing through our brains, and they reveal a lot about our mental state at any given moment. Scientists use advanced technology, like EEG scans, to observe these patterns and decode what's happening inside our minds. Each type of brainwave tells a different story about how we're feeling and thinking. For example, beta waves are present when we're alert, focused, or under pressure. They dominate when we're solving problems, making decisions, or feeling stressed out by daily life. High beta activity is often linked to anxiety and tension. In contrast, alpha waves appear when we're calm, relaxed, and at ease, like during a quiet moment of meditation, or when we're simply enjoying a peaceful break. These waves help us unwind and recover from stress. Theta waves go even deeper, showing up during moments of deep relaxation, creativity, or when we're lost in thought and imagination. They're often associated with dreaming, inspiration, and the flow state. But here's the catch. When we're stuck in high beta for too long, our bodies release stress hormones like cortisol. Over time, this can damage our skin, leading to breakouts, irritation, and even premature aging. The good news is, by intentionally shifting into alpha or theta states, through practices like mindfulness, deep breathing, or creative activities, we can lower our stress, reduce cortisol, and give our skin the ideal conditions to heal and renew itself. The key is awareness. With practice, you can actually learn to guide your brain into these healthier states, using tools like meditation, biofeedback, or even just taking mindful breaks throughout your day. Mastering this mental shift isn't just about feeling better, it's the essential first step toward healthier, more radiant, and more receptive skin. When you enter a relaxed alpha or theta brainwave state, your body shifts gears from the high alert mode of fight or flight to the soothing, restorative rest and digest mode. This transition isn't just about feeling calm. It's a biological reset that impacts your entire system, including your skin. In this state, your blood vessels open up, boosting blood flow and delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This enhanced circulation helps your complexion look brighter, healthier, and more vibrant. Your skin's barrier also becomes more receptive, allowing active ingredients in your skincare products to penetrate deeper and work more effectively. This means your serums, creams, and treatments can deliver better results with less effort. Mindful product formulas, especially those infused with calming scents like lavender or chamomile, can help trigger this relaxed state. Aromatherapy and gentle textures signal your brain to unwind, making your routine a sensory experience. Some innovative brands now incorporate smart devices and facial massage tools designed to enhance relaxation, combining technology with self-care to maximize your skin's potential. By making relaxation a core part of your skincare ritual, you transform a simple daily habit into a powerful act of self-care that benefits both your mind and your skin. The result? Your products work more efficiently, your skin glows from within, and you feel more balanced and radiant overall. This is the science of neurocosmetics in action, where relaxation and skincare meet to rewrite your skin's story from the inside out. You don't need fancy gadgets to harness this science. Just a few mindful steps. Before your routine, create a calm space. Dim the lights, light a candle, or play soft music. Take 5 deep, slow breaths to shift your brain into a relaxed state. Apply products slowly, focusing on the sensation and your breath. Visualize the ingredients nourishing your skin. This mindful approach primes your skin for maximum absorption and results. Make these steps a habit, and your routine becomes a true mind-body ritual. Small changes, big impact. Brainwave science is revolutionizing the future of skincare, unlocking new ways to understand how our minds and bodies are connected. By studying the signals our brains send, researchers are discovering how stress, relaxation, and even our emotions can directly impact the health and appearance of our skin. With the rise of smart mirrors and innovative devices, personalized skincare is becoming more accessible than ever before. These technologies can analyze your skin in real time, track changes, and even suggest routines tailored to your unique needs. But perhaps the most profound benefit is holistic. Regular relaxation practices, like meditation and mindful breathing, can lower stress hormones, improve sleep quality, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. These changes don't just help your skin look healthier, they support your entire well-being from the inside out. This new approach empowers you to take charge of your skin's health, giving you the tools and knowledge to make informed choices every day. Instead of relying on miracle creams or quick fixes, you can embrace true self-care, focusing on habits and routines that nurture both your skin and your mind. Your daily skincare ritual becomes a moment of mindfulness and self-kindness, a time to reconnect with yourself and recharge. The journey into neurocosmetics is just beginning, with exciting breakthroughs on the horizon that promise to blend science, technology, and self-care like never before. You can start today with simple breathing exercises and mindfulness techniques, gradually building habits that support both your skin and your mental health. Over time, you'll notice the difference, not just in the clarity and glow of your skin, but in your overall sense of well-being and confidence. Remember, the power to transform your skin and your life is already within you, waiting to be unlocked. Check the video description for my recommended essentials. No gimmicks, just what works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more budget-friendly beauty essentials.